Hey everybody, this is R.E.S. Gans from Literary Gladiators, and with me today is my friend Bird.
Hey everybody, this is R.E.S. Gans from Literary Gladiators, and with me today is my friend Bird. Hey everybody, this is R.E.S. Gans from Literary Gladiators, and with me today is my friend Bird.
No. I'm Ari, your bird, okay?
I'm Ari, your bird, okay? I'm Ari, your bird, okay?
No. I'm Ari. Me. R.E.S. Gans, that's me. You're just a robotic toy, okay? Got it? Good. Okay.
I'm Ari, me. R.E.S. Gans, that's me. You're just a robotic toy.
Okay. Alright, so, anyway, today we're going to be reading a kid's book. Figured it would be something new I haven't really done in a while. Today we're going to read a book about animals. Today we're going to be reading Eric Carle's From Head to Toe. Right, Bird? Yep, that's what we're reading today.
Reading Eric Carle's From Head to Toe, right,
Yes,
Bird?
I just said that.
Yep, that's what we're reading today.
Yeah, I know.
Reading Eric...
Okay, good point. Alright, so, I just want to let you know that this guy over here, he can be really, really annoying. Just saying.
Guy over here, he can be really, really annoying. Just saying. Guy over here, he can be really, really annoying.
Are you calling me annoying right now? Really?
He annoying right now? Really? He annoying right now? Really?
No, I said, are you calling me annoying? Not you. You are annoying. We already know that, right?
No, I said, are you calling me annoying? Not you. You are annoying. We already know that.
Would
right?
you stop it?
No,
Just shut up! See what I mean about this guy? It's crazy. Let's go read Eric Carle's From Head to Toe. Here we go. Alright. I am a penguin, and I turn my head.
I am a penguin, and I turn my head. I am a penguin, and I turn my head.
You're not a penguin. You are a bird, and you need to be quiet, okay? I'm trying to read to them.
You are a bird, and you need to be quiet, okay? I'm trying to read to them. You are a bird, and you need to be quiet, okay? I'm trying to read to them.
You are a bird.
Bird.
I am a penguin, and I turn my head. Can you do it? I can do it.
I am a penguin, and I turn my head. Can you do it?
You can't turn your
head.
head.
I am a penguin, and I turn my head. Can you do it? I can do it.
Oh, okay, you think you could turn your head? Let's see you turn your head. Come on. Do it.
Let's see you turn your head. Come on. Do it. Let's see you turn your head.
You want me to
Come
turn
on.
my head?
Do it.
Watch. I can do it right now. Watch this. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, but you can't do that, can you? Well, what about this bird? Can you do this? I am a giraffe, and I bend my neck. Can you do it? I can do it. Guess what? Because I actually have a neck. You do not have a neck.
Do not have a neck. Do not have a neck.
Yes, you don't have a neck.
Have a neck. Have a neck.
Okay, what about this one?
Okay, what about this one? Okay, what about this one?
Are you going to shut up so I can read the book to the audience? Are you just going to go, blah, 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 blah? Well, good. Okay, so...
Shut up so I can read the book to the audience. Are you just going to go, blah, 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 blah?
You are. Okay, good. All right. This next page. I am a buffalo, and I raise my shoulders. Can you do it? I can do it. I have shoulders, so I can do it.
I have shoulders, so I can do it.
You don't
I
have
shoulders,
shoulders.
so I can do it.
These are wings. These are wings. These are not shoulders. They're shoulders. He's talking about shoulders. You do not have shoulders.
These are wings. These are not shoulders. They're shoulders. He's talking about shoulders. You do not have shoulders.
What do you mean I don't have
These are wings.
shoulders?
These are not shoulders. They're shoulders. He's talking about shoulders. You do not have shoulders.
What do you mean I don't have shoulders? What's this, huh? Look at this, and you tell me right now, what is this? What is this right here, huh? What, you think of that, a pigskin?
What's this? Look at this, and you tell me right now, what is this? What is this right here, huh? What, you think of that, a pigskin?
No, they're wings. Come on, man. I'm just trying to read the book. All right, this is one. I am a monkey, and I wave my arms. Can you do it? I can do it. Now this one I know you can do. Woohoo! Try that, bird.
You can do. Woohoo! Try that, bird. can do. Woo! Try that, bird.
See, he can do it. Bird can do it because he is able to do that, right?
Bird can do it because he is able to do that, right? Bird can do it because he is able to do that, right?
Wait a minute. Are you calling me bird against? You're the bird. I am the human. I am reading the book.
Are you calling me bird against? You're the bird. I am the human. I am reading the book.
No, you are the bird. Okay? Listen, you're the bird. You see, he's the bird. I'm not the bird, am I? Tweet, tweet. Nah, he's the bird. All right, next page. I am a seal, and I clap my hands. Aha. Can you do it? I can do it. I'm afraid, bird, you're not going to be able to clap your hands, are you?
I'm afraid, bird, you're not going to be able to clap your hands.
Stop calling me
I'm
bird!
afraid, bird.
Stop calling me bird. No, I bet you can't do it. Can you do it?
Can you do it? Can you do it?
Okay, no, you're using your mouth. That's cheating. You actually have to use your hands like this.
In your mouth, that's cheating.
No,
you
no.
actually have to use your hands like this.
I am
In your
using
mouth,
my
that's cheating.
hands.
You actually have to use your hands like this.
I am using my hands. You were using your mouth. You were going. That's not what the book says. The book says your hands. Your hands.
And you were using your mouth. You were going. That's not what the book says. The book says your hands. Your hands.
Oh, you're gonna mock me now. Your hands. Your hand. That's what I just said. So you're saying I can't use my? Okay, forget it. You know what? You're not worth it. What about this one, bird? You can't. I bet you can't do this one. Okay. I bet you can't do it, bird. Can you do that, bird? I don't think so.
Do that, bird? I don't think so. Do that, bird? I don't think so.
Okay, I need to reiterate this to everybody. I am the bird. No, wait. Oh, great. You screwed me up.
To reiterate this to everybody. I am the bird. No, wait.
Yeah, oh, yes, you are. You are the bird. Don't you forget that. I am a gorilla. Ooh, and I can thump my chest. Can you do it? I can do it. I bet he can't do this.
I bet you can't do this.
Shit, I just did
I bet
it.
you can't do this.
See, I can do it, but you can't do it. You can't because your little freaking arms are just like, wee, and you can't do it. You cannot do it.
Do it. You can't because your little freaking arms are just like, wee, you can't do it.
I don't have little arms. I can do it. As a matter of fact, I can do it, and I can also tell you to be quiet. Oh, I know you like these things, right? Cats. I am a cat, and I arch my back. I'm gonna have to stand up for this one. Oh, that's a tricky one. But I know he can't arch his back because you know. I mean, he can't arch his back because he's a fat bird. So let me try.
I mean, he can't arch his back because he's a fat bird, so.
What did you just call me? Whoa. What did you just call me? Did you just call me a fat bird? Did you just call me fat bird? Anyway, like this, guys. I guess
You just call me fat bird.
Yes, I did call you a fat bird, but then you called me a
Like
fat
this,
bird.
guys. I guess you just call me fat bird.
Yes, I did. You gonna get upset about it now?
Like this, guys.
I am a crocodile.
Crocodile.
You actually pronounced a word correctly. Well done. Well done. I am a crocodile, and
You actually pronounced the word correctly. Well done.
I'm 26 years old, and I have a bachelor's degree. Don't you tell me how to pronounce words. I know exactly what I'm doing. You are telling me that I don't know how to pronounce words in a goddamn Eric Carle book. Okay? Not your place to say that.
Telling me that I don't know how to pronounce words in a goddamn Eric Carle book.
That's because you don't. Let me do the reading, okay? Let me read the book.
Let me do the reading, okay? Let me read the book.
No, you're not reading it. I am a crocodile and I wriggle my hips. Can you do it? I can do it. Well, yeah, but see, See, he's stationary, so he can't do it. Ha ha ha. Oh God, what's this next one? I am a camel.
Stationary, so he can't do it.
Can't do what? What are you saying I can't do? Huh? Are you saying I can't do something, bird?
Are you saying I can't do something, bird?
No, your bird.
Are you saying I can't do something, bird?
Okay, listen. You are bird. Okay?
Okay, listen. You are bird.
No.
Okay?
You are.
Okay, listen. You are bird.
No.
Okay?
No. You are bird. Not me. Ari is not bird. Ari is bird. No, Ari is... You're confusing me.
You are bird. Not me.
No, you
Ari
are.
is not bird.
Right.
Ari is bird. No, Ari is... No.
This thing needs to shut up. I am a camel, and I bend my knees. You don't have knees. Bird, you do not have knees. You have no right to do anything on this page. This camel has knees, but you do not have knees.
You do not have knees. You have no right to do anything on this page.
Don't you tell me what I have a right to do and what I don't have to do. I have knees. I can go woo. I got knees, boy. Woo. Anyway, I am an elephant, and I stomp my foot. Something I know you can't do, can you, bird? You can't stomp your feet because you don't really have feet. Well, you do, but not feet like this.
Can't stomp your feet because you don't really have feet. Well, you do, but not feet like this.
Feet like what? Feet like what? What do you mean feet like what? You said feet like this. Feet like what? See, this guy is being so annoying. He says, I don't have feet like an elephant.
I don't have feet like an elephant. I don't have feet like an elephant.
That's because you don't have feet like an elephant. Look at this guy's feet. Look at that. Look at that huge feet. And you tell me you have that?
Have feet like an elephant. Look at this guy's feet. Look at that huge feet. And you tell me.
I've been looking at the foot. Okay? I can do it. See, I'm the girl. You are a bird, not a human being.
You are a bird, not a human being. You are a bird.
Are you kidding me?
Not a human being.
What do you... I am very much a...
Very much a...
Hey, I found something you can do, bird. I found something that you can do. Look at this.
I found something that you can do. Look at this. I found something that you can do.
Yeah, you can shut up. That's what you can do. I am I, and I wiggle my toe. Can you do it? I can do it. I can do it. Ah, that's you. That's you, bird. Look, it's you. Found you, bird. You're in the back of the boat.
I can do it. Ah, that's you, bird. Look, it's you.
No. I think
Found
we
you,
have...
bird. You're in the back. I can do it. Ah, that's you.
No.
That's you, bird. Look, it's you.
No. Listen. You are the bird. You are the bird, not me. You are the bird. That is you in this picture, right? Well, not that. You are the bird.
You are the bird.
No,
not me.
you are the
You
bird.
are the bird.
You are the bird. Don't you dare tell me that you are the bird. No, you are the bird. You are the bird. You are the bird. You are the bird. Okay, stop saying I'm the bird. We could argue about this all day. I gotta go, guys. I gotta talk to take some sense in this guy's. This guy just isn't listening to me at all. He keeps saying I'm a bird. Yeah, well, he's the bird. Hope you guys enjoyed Eric Carle from Head to Toe. I got this at the I forget where. I think I got it at the Goodwill store. It's a nice kids book for like little kids, and I think you guys will like it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep reading, and have a good day.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep reading, and have a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and keep reading, and have a good day.
This guy needs to stop. This bird needs to stop copying me. You are the bird. You are the bird. You are the bird. You are the bird. Okay? You are the bird.
Bird needs to stop copying me. You are the bird.
No, you are the bird.
You are the bird.
No, you are the bird. You little green piece of crap. You are the bird.
You are the bird. You are the bird. You are the